Yo, what's up? Hello, everyone. Today we're just going to be reviewing my new main cube. Really, what I have right now is basically old GAN. It's a GAN 365 RS Magnetic. So, just curious how this is compared to my new cube compared to that. So, curious. Just want to go ahead and test it out. I just got it today, and this is the Moyu WRM V10. Means it's modern and it's something I just have never ever gotten. Why? Because I've been getting like the old outdated cubes because they're cheap. But today make a difference. I went ahead and got this for $50. So see, I'll just go ahead test the quality, comparing it to my old main, see if it's better. Go ahead and use it with that from now on. So let's go ahead and get opening. First of all, we have sticker from we'll save it later or I don't know. We'll say beautiful. Let me get my knife. Okay, I got it to open. Go ahead, open it up. First of all, my first impression of the box itself is very high quality. It feels like something that is, I don't know, it's strange feeling. It's like plastic, high quality, crazy. Amazed. Let's go ahead and open it. Good. Stop. Anyways, honestly, the box itself is almost similar to my old one. It's almost similar, but this is so it opens up halfway instead of diagonal. So it's very clear. What's good, in my opinion. It's not bad. Anyways, we have accessories, utensils, or resources that we need for the cube related with adjusting with settings and all that, or but sometimes it comes in with, well, mostly would always include instructions how to solve it. Don't need that, right? Oh well. Okay. A tool that I've never ever seen before. This is weird. Really, what it has is screwdriver. That's, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. We have a flathead easy tool adjusting settings for cube itself. Strange all instruction what I have. Instruction to solve cube. Thick. What's that? Oh. Instructions for that tool. What's up? Instruction really thick. Feel. Oh, see how big it is. Curious. Passion. Makes sense. Instruction for everything. Not bad. Clear instructions. Good. I expect Moyu to be that good. It is top 3 brands. Of course, it has to be good, so. algorithms ready. That's nice. Ready. Probably with notes. So that way I can use that more quicker and easy. That's not bad, honestly. Alright, put it away. Just Tessino was very good, yes, but until I looked at my phone recording, ended up maxed out storage and wouldn't even work, so I had to restart on that part. So I just go ahead and review what I just did. First things first, this cube is really light and smooth. There's no lockups or anything like that, and it's the best cube I ever touched before. So it's like really smooth. There's no lockups. Speaking of lockups, it's like on my own main, it would be like, you can see that stretch and then finally locks into place. That, see, when I turn, it will through, so that's something I just really hate. That cube honestly has not really, not no, but it's really good. Something that can avoid. It's like you know how like a tornado, a bird goes through it, we're guaranteed to get blown away. So that is basically my old main. But with a specific type of bird, I'm assuming there is none, but if that bird was to have superpowers and can't get blown away, that cube would be exactly that one. So it's really high quality. I'm just fascinated by it. That I went ahead, opened up system, curious, something I'd not really seen before, so I go ahead and show you. That system is something I'd never ever seen before. On the other GAN, my old main has something that makes sense, but it's like how strong that spring work, how tight it is and all that. This is maglev, I'm assuming. Yes, it's magnetic, where magnets repel each other and it becomes like a shock system, and it's really high quality because it has no friction, allowing it to go fast. So yeah. Okay, first up I have the new cube. See, compared to the old one, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting solved with that cube itself. It's really amazing. I even got I got sub 20. That's really good. I got 19.42. It's really smooth to the point where it's very fast. So, okay, so let's compare it with the old main. Let's go ahead and start with that. Yeah, well, honestly, that cube feels very slow, and it impacts my movements on that cube. Ended up, I got 22.93 seconds. It's not bad. Honestly, it's not bad. But average commonalities, that makes sense, right? But I can tell between both of them, the turning itself, obviously, new to old news always wins. But depends on what you are comparing it. So for the newest one, I will confirm that this is my new main. Confirm. So in this upcoming come I will be participating in the Brown Blitz County, Indiana. So if you guys want to see me there, you can sign up, go there, see me there, or either, well, honestly, you will see me there if I'm competing there. So just want to let you guys know that I will compete with that cube here. Backup will be this, and I had more backups. That will be pretty much that's it for this video. Comparing it review with those, I mean, honestly, it's really good. Um, it's something that you have to get if you want to do good with your solves. I noticed my time went down really quick with that new cube. V10 is already advanced, so hope you guys enjoyed this review of that cube here. Um, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. See ya.